Hey man, what's going on, bro? Man, look, man, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man.
I don't know. My phone was on some bullshit. It literally just froze up on me. I was like, it had Dragon Face just stuck up there for like the last 15 seconds, and I ain't hear shit. I was just like, what the hell's going on?
That's crazy, man.
Damn, I should have parked over there. Well, yeah, man, I'm just over here chilling, man.
No real chilling, man. What
Yes,
part of the country
sir.
you in right? What part of the country we in right now, bro?
I am in what is this? Seacrest. I'm right here by the where the Giants play. I'm about to park at the Vince Lombardi rest area and shit.
Oh shit. So
Yeah.
you near the Meadowlands?
Yep. Actually, I am looking at the Meadowlands right now.
Wow, you are on
Yeah.
sacred ground for those
Yeah. Look,
Giant fans.
if you could if you could see it, I am. That is the New York skyline. If y'all could see it,
Lord, I
yeah,
see
that's the
what.
New York
Yeah, I
skyline.
see. Yeah, yeah, man. You always in some interesting areas.
Yes, sir, man. It's funny,
Life
but
of
it
a truck,
snowed.
man. Snow.
It
When did
snowed
it
over
snow?
here. I don't know. I think probably like 3 days, 3 days ago. Probably, I think this was Christmas Eve actual snowfall because some of the snow where I was at, like up there near Mount Poconos, was still fresh.
Yeah,
So I was like, yeah, it must have been
not Mount
Christmas
Pocono.
Eve.
Oh,
Yep, I was up
Pinocchio.
there. Yeah, Pocono Mountains.
Pocono man, bro.
Pocoho.
Pocono.
I know what it
Pocono.
is, man. It sounds better when you say Pocoho.
They really do.
Pocoho
Yeah,
Mountain.
y'all gonna put some respect in Pocono Mountains name.
I want to put some respect on the Pocoho.
Yeah. Now I gotta play truck parking Tetris.
Dang, y'all stacking them like that? You busy
Yeah,
like
this
that
is
over there, man?
nigga. This is New York.
You think it's the
There's
after Christmas rush shit?
no, ain't no after Christmas rush shit. This shit's always like this. Ain't no. There's not enough parking in the Northeast. Like so, they expect truck drivers to pay $30 to $40 a day for truck parking.
That's horrendous.
And people wonder why their shit is fucking high. Like, um, I do not like coming up here to the Northeast area because of the fact that I know it's nothing but bullshit up here. And honestly, they have a lot of scandalous and fraudulent. They do a lot of scandalous and fraudulent shit up here in the Northeast, bro. Like,
You
my
mean
thing
like the
is,
politicians? Who?
uh,
Who's doing all this
all right,
kind of and shit?
the government up here.
Okay.
All right, I'll give you an example. Um, just to go through New York. So New York is this is how jacked up New York is. So New York is it's heavily taxed, right?
Mm-hmm.
So with New York, it decided, you know what? We're just going to tax everybody. So as a truck driver, in order to go, say if I need to go to Maine and make a delivery, in order for me to go to Maine, I gotta go through New York. In order for me to go to Connecticut, I gotta go through New York, Vermont, New York, New Hampshire, New York, everything, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, all them shits. I gotta go to New York. So here's my fucking problem. My problem is New York charges about $100 to $200 just to cross through.
That's crazy.
Now, if you have to make deliveries in New York, now you gotta think about other fucking tolls, like the George W. Well, the George W. Bridge is the main, like it's the main toll, to get through New York City. But You got so much fucking. It's just so much goddamn red fucking tape, and that. And people, they're all confused. Like, well, why everything's so expensive? I'm like, it's the fucking government. How many times the government has to prove to you everything the government touches, they fucking destroys?
I know it's crazy, man.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
everything the goddamn government touches, they goddamn destroy.
Destroys,
Like,
you're right. They destroy it.
because back in the day, you used to be able to make a good fucking living as a truck driver. Like, I don't know, maybe like the story is that the Department of Transportation used to be a lawyer and used to live next door to a truck driver. That's the reason why they hate truck drivers so fucking much.
Really?
Yeah, man, dude. Back in the day, bruh, like when truck drivers were making stupid fucking money, like bruh, like my trainer, right? He had about 3 trucks, and he was just like, shit. Each of those trucks was bringing me home $300,000 a year.
That's all right there.
And not only you're talking about back in the day, where shit was cheap.
Back in the dizzy. In the dizzle.
Yeah. Where shit was absolutely fucking cheap. Now these niggas, now these fucking Negroes acting like, and this guy parked like a fucking idiot.
Everybody is irritating you, aren't they?
Remember I say, man, I could do this. Man, fuck this. I'll show you my skills, nigga. Nope, never mind. I don't gotta do it. I'm gonna park like an asshole. Fuck y'all. Oh, I got this shit.
Bagging your shit up now?
Nigga, I'm about to be lazy. I ain't backing up this shit. I'm lazy as fuck. Nigga, I'm about to bust a Yui, nigga. Oh,
In
I'm about to see what
an 18 wheeler, man?
Nigga, I'm busting your turn right now.
Boy, that's crazy.
Yeah. Parallel park, all that shit.
Damn. You driving the fuck with that bitch, dog.
I ain't gonna bullshit you, bro. When people ask me like, what's the hardest parallel parking to do? And for me, it's driver side parallel parking. But I could do blind side parallel parking all fucking day of the week, and that's the easiest for me. And this is me playing Tetris. Hold on 1 second, and I'll be parked up, boy.
You swinging it?
Yeah, I'm just doing blind side.
No kidding.
I'm just doing blind side parking, backing up. Basically, I can't see out on my right side, so I can't see where my trailer's going. So I gotta back it up by fill. Make a quick cut.
You alright?
Yeah.
Hey, Dragon, what's going on with you, man?
I'm backing up this goddamn monster, nigga.
Good, bro. Just converting some nano into some throne.
Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure you got some good information tonight.
I'm about to turn some. Best believe that.
Okay. All right, what we're going to do, man, is we're going to go ahead on and sail into some crypto news right about now. Let's do this, y'all. Let's do this.
Let me gather from.
These instruments, man. You know what I'm talking about? Instruments to get the bitches, man. You know what I'm talking about? For real, man. You know, but they can't get a bitch.
Let me hold you tight. It's only for one night. It will be like crypto. We talking about Christmas. If only for one night. Yeah. This guy looking at me like, yo, this guy know how to back up. Oh fuck, I just fucked my
You
whole
did it like
stuff
that,
up.
bro.
I'm
You
getting
did it
cool.
like that, bro.
I'm getting too cocky. I'm like, yo, I was like, yeah, this guy like, yo, man, this guy know how to back up, and I just undercorrected. It's because of the fact that I don't have to pick this shit up. We got a second drop we got to pick up. I don't have to pick this shit up until 8 o'clock in the morning, and so I'm like, shit. Finally, I got it. You only gotta do it correct a little bit. That's it. Thank you for parking like a fucking moron too. Action.
Do what now?
I'm looking at some of the stuff of what they're saying about XRP, and it's like, I was even told because okay, there's this financial lady that like I follow, right? She's been in the business for 20 years and shit. Beforehand, she's telling people, you know, kind of almost the same shit that Ozy said. Or here as of lately, she's like, get your Transform account, get this account, get this type of account, and then she was even talking about XRP, XLM, HR. He was like, you're coming up. There's going to be a dip happening. I'm like, it sure seems like a bunch of motherfuckers in the financial industry are saying the exact same shit that I was sitting here saying. The same shit. And this motherfucker been in business for 20 fucking years. She telling people to do the same shit. I was just like, yep, this is, you need to get a lot. You guys gotta get this type of first, man. You guys gotta get this type of wallet in and shit. I was like, yep, I was right. And there's even more shit popping up now talking about what XRP is doing and other shit. I'm like, all right. Motherfuckers not getting into this shit, procrastinating. And they say, oh, well, I'm going to wait till this. And I'm not really worried about that right now. So I tell people, when this shit happens, don't say a motherfucking word. Don't say shit. I don't want to hear nothing out of nobody. You had your chance and opportunity, but you decided to not want to see the economy and the world is headed right now. That is on you for your own, because you wanted to be naive and not take advantage of the situation at hand. Motherfuckers rather spend money on bullshit versus getting themselves situated for the. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, that's when I say she was preaching all, she's preaching all. Hold on.
Yep.
Do you really?
You can sit there and you can take action, or you can sit there and not
All right.
and be
My
behind
bad,
the eight
y'all.
ball.
My bad. I finished back, and you and for all you people out there, you can see how much attention I have to pay in order for me backing, because I forgot I was actually talking and I was just probably mumbling shit. But it takes a lot of attention. It takes it basically you gotta pay attention when you're backing up sometimes, because of
What you mean sometimes? what you mean sometimes, man? You got a big ass issue with it. Should be all the time.
Well, it's like example, like it's like once you've been doing this shit for a minute, it's like you get a sixth sense of some shit, right? So let me just give you a little short example. Like back where we just picked up at, there was like nobody there, right? There was nobody there. There was no truck drivers there. No one was picking up. We was just the last ones there.
Mhm.
And so for me backing up, I'm gonna be honest with you. For me backing up, I could probably talk, have a conversation on the phone while texting. Have done it plenty of times, but talk on the phone, texting while backing up, and it's because there's no one there. There's no real obstacles. But to do the shit I just did in New York, shit. To do what? Yeah, to do what I just did while being in New York, how I just had to back up. Shit, me. You gotta have, man. You gotta have some form of you gotta pay attention because these. No offense, everybody from Northeast, but y'all drive like mentally retardation has hit the United States like an epidemic.
Might need to switch over to Mike Rumble rant. The rant,
Yeah.
bro. Let's switch
Yeah.
that over.
Yeah, switch it over. Man.
Well,
Hold on, man.
I really don't got no mumble rants.
Well,
Gotta
you
go
already
on.
been mumble
right
ranting, man. Just keep
now,
on
bro.
going, man. Keep on going, bro.
Well, I was pretty much done. I was pretty much
Pretty
done.
much done.
Yeah.
No. Keep going.
Like,
I'm getting news together anyway.
well, pretty much what I have to rant about is pretty much going on with the topic. And
Oh, okay.
yeah, until we start talking about the topic, I ain't gonna really say anything.
I feel you on that.
But I will say something, Nickel. I got you, Nickel. You want me to say something for you, but I'm stop playing. Ooh, I like the acoustics of this. Hey, right now I'm staying on Need 95, I-95, nigga. Whew. It's fucking chilly. But yeah, look at that view, man. If you probably can't see that view. It's too much. It's too light. It's too much light out here. So so Dragon, he's not quite ready.
No, he's not quite ready, but I mean, we can talk about some other stuff, man. It don't matter to me, man.
Oh, okay, man. Shoot. So why did the sisters get cooking with Kaya banned? Now she back
don't
on
know,
TikTok.
man. Well, yeah, but I think I mean, this is what's crazy. These modern Western-minded women that were so just butthurt about cooking with Kaya did not realize they actually got this chick a show, bro. She's supposed to have a show on VH1 coming up. Ain't that something?
Please, God.
Good,
No.
Yeah,
You
VH1.
gotta go.
If they give her a cooking show, I'm fucking.
They're giving her a cooking show. VH1.
If they give
giving her a
it,
cooking show.
if they give him Cooking with Kaya a cooking show, then I'm fucking. I have lost all faith in humanity.
Yep, that's the plan though.
And ain't no disrespect to her, you know. No disrespect to her. All I'm saying is, really, bitch.
Mhm.
Y'all. This is the reason I'm. God forgive me. Some of y'all black women, y'all just so fucking stupid. Y'all are so
Yes,
fucking
they are.
stupid. I'm sorry, ladies. I'm sorry. My grandmother told me, tell the truth, shame the devil. God damn it, I gotta let the truth be told. Some of y'all bitches are just so fucking dumb. How many times this shit has to happen over and over and over again until y'all heifers get it?
They're not gonna get it.
Like, she's average. She's average.
Yeah,
She
she
looks
is
good.
average.
Like she can go from average to
She's an
pretty
adjustable.
really
She's an
quick.
adjustable 5'6".
She can go average to cute real quick.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But I ain't gonna say she's pretty. She's fine,
Mm-hmm.
Like the crazy thing, and this is how fucked up the black community, the black race is, bruh. They literally they basically trying to make an average looking bitch be bad.
They tried.
Same thing they did with Jonathan Myers.
Majors.
Majors, Jonathan Majors.
It's
Same
Majors.
thing they did with him. They turned a average looking black dude into a fucking superstar. And so, how many times they gotta do this shit before you motherfuckers to just shut the fuck up? Why can't y'all just shut the fuck up? I'm like, I feel like Dave Chappelle when he played Black Bush during the Chappelle show back in the day. He had all those mics, and it was about 5 different mics. What I'm gonna do the same thing Dave Chappelle did. Shut the fuck up. Ladies, why can't you just shut the fuck up? I'm sorry. I gotta know.
Man, that's a mystery that will remain unsolved for as long as time runs, man.
Why won't you rack shit, big shit, shut the fuck up? See, I don't care about the correct and loud sisters. I'm like, shit, she could be loud, she could be correct. I'm like, yeah, shit, I'm not gonna disagree with everything a woman say. Like, say she wanted to talk about black men, I'm not gonna disagree. I'm like, hell yeah, there are a lot of ain't shit men out there.
Yep.
There's more. I'm like, hey, but who's the gateway to sex? It's women. Women are the gateway to sex. You can't have sex with a woman without her permission. And without that, we already know what that's called. Like, a man can't force you to go into labor. Like, a man can't force you to have a baby. Man can't force you to do this. Man can't force you to do that. My God.
Right.
You bullshit, man. You gotta pull that shit up, bro. You gotta pull that shit up getting Cooking with Kaya fucking TV show, bro.
About her getting a TV show?
Yeah, pull the clip, nigga.
I don't have a clip. I gotta look for it, dude. I gotta look for the clip, dude. Hold on.
Because I'm saying, bro, don't get it twisted. Yeah, Kaya, she do got some nice looking titties, hey. But it's the fact that all women are so big now, bro, that a skinny, average shape chick, these bitches hating on.
Angry Man talking about it right now.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, I mean, he's done it. He's been on it. She ain't got that big of a booty. And she is average.
Oh yeah, she average.
Just looking at the fact that them little bitches got mad because she on there cooking, doing her thing, and they gonna cancel her because they know the fastest ain't cooking and actually taking care of.
I mean, she actually, if you really pay attention to her and you take her goddamn, you take that makeup off, she actually like a 4, dude. She like a 4 or 5, dude. She got like fake lashes on.
Oh, excuse me.
She got the damn her rhinestone on her cheek. Like, this chick is she real. She's super average. Like, because you gotta see most of her videos and shit. That should be like a filter and shit. Her ass is super. She's super average, dog. And then she don't even like twerk that much. That little bitty ass twerk she be doing, dog. That ain't nothing. She ain't like super fine or nothing. She a regular looking chick. Like she's attainable out here in these streets. Like she ain't like this baddie that you can't get.
Got a point.
Somebody got something talking about some women took the bait. Is cooking with Kaya being used to antagonize women? Who knows? Who cares?
I don't give a damn.
Exactly.
Oh, you said what?
No, it's a video. It says women took the bait. Is cooking with Kaya being used to antagonize women?
No.
Yeah, of course it's not, dude. It's just somebody using that as clickbait, bro. They have mastered clickbait. Matter of fact, I'm gonna see if my AI can write clickbait.
Bro, there's people that think like that, bro.
Oh yeah, of course there are.
There's people that think like that, dude. These motherfuckers are idiots, bro.
Yep. I say it all the time. That's why my circle is extremely small.
Oh, she got a nice little knot back there.
Mm-hmm.
She got a nice little knot. It ain't the biggest, but you know, it's plump. It's plump. She got them size C cup titties. I see you.
The only reason why is the fact that they have a problem is because she's young, light of weight, and she's attractive, and men are flocking to her.
Yeah, she got a tootie booty on her, dog.
And I guarantee you, if they give them a show, women, they're gonna watch it not because they're gonna learn some shit. They're gonna watch it just so they can hate on her.
Oh well.
Yeah, she got a nice little booty on her. Nice little spread on her.
And my problem, that continues the bullshit. The bullshit continues.
Yeah. They ain't learned their lesson. They ain't gonna learn their lesson.
What lesson?
Oh, here goes something. I think it says Cooking with Kaya got banned, then got her own TV show on VH1 Part 3. What's Part 1 and Part 2 at, Sheldon? That's what I want to know. Shoot, let's see if we can pull this shit up. Hold on. Do. Ooh. All right, let's see here. Doom. I swear sometimes I hate this damn. How this shit be acting, man. You won't let me do what I want to do. Fuck it. All right, let's see if this works the first time through, which it never does. Y'all let me know if y'all can hear this shit.
Whoa. Wow. Good. This is the best thing you've ever made. What's your recipe? Cooking with Kaya. What? Bro, she a chef.
That's some bullshit.
I know, I'm from Cooking with Kaya. Yeah, you're fucking joking right now.
Like, these bitches is so butthurt by this chick.
It's good, right? You're fucking joking with me. It's good, right? Cooking with Ryan.
Can y'all hear this, man?
Yeah, that's true.
I'm just trying to make sure.
Why do you say it like that? Where'd you hear to say it like that? Where'd you hear?
There was a girl on TikTok that was just saying cooking with in her name.
No.
I was gonna cook for
Nothing.
Hi, y'all. I can't watch Cooking with Kaya no more because my girl actually can cook better than her.
Notice in the background, the chick got a goddamn pan in the damn. It look like he gonna hit him in the back of the head. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that in that last one? Yeah, these bitches crazy.
Video cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya.
Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy Hot coming at you.
Everybody named Mama can't hear me. Look at this nigga here.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second, man. Hold on.
Go ahead.
Y'all weak motherfuckers, boy. Y'all some weak ass
Here we
dudes,
go.
man.
Here we go.
Who the fuck? You lucky I'm in motherfucker. You lucky I'm in this goddamn rest area, nigga. I'll embarrass the fuck out of me, you, and your mama, nigga, for raising a soft, built ass, bitch ass dude.
Why this got this shirt on, man? Look at this shirt this cat on. Got on.
Hey, I was gonna get on that next, man, but let me say, man, what the fuck? Damn, what?
This nigga got a Hawaii 5-0 on, my nigga. This motherfucking Dano looking ass nigga. Goddamn
Sneak
Miami
shirt.
Vice ass nigga. Oh, Northeast 113 Ave ass nigga.
Hey, that's the shirt you wear when you don't
prime
snitch.
ass nigga. This nigga look like he need to be on a golf course ass nigga. This goddamn caddy looking ass nigga.
No, that nigga look like Release the Stones. Fifth Element alien looking ass. That nigga look like one of the Fifth Element looking ass.
Nigga said, release the Stones, boy. I
Release
swear.
the
Stones.
Send somebody in to negotiate. Okay. Wow, anybody else want to negotiate? Looking ass out of here, boy. Goddamn, nigga. Goddamn, the sixth element is within you, looking ass nigga.
This nigga should never have ever even tried to even go near.
Hell no, nigga.
You don't even need to. This nigga don't even need to learn how to spell the word date, nigga. You talking about go on one? He don't even need to know how to spell that shit.
Goddamn, nigga
That's
look
not
like
even part of
broccoli
your
off
vocabulary, nigga.
Fuck that, nigga look like broccoli off the Veggie Tales. They go, oh, where is my hairbrush? Oh.
I'm gonna tell you right now, that nigga better be careful for grave robbers, cause he got that damn gold in his mouth like one of these Egyptian pharaohs, my nigga. You gonna get that shit robbed, nigga.
Nah, they gonna rob that nigga grave to make sure he wasn't an alien. Look at
Boy, I'm trying to tell you, man.
That nigga look like he got half badger in him.
That nigga is a problem. Look how he look. He nigga look like a problem, dog.
All right, let's get off this thing. So you weak built ass niggas, bro. Y'all gonna let y'all woman.
That nigga increased property taxes, nigga.
Y'all gonna let a woman throw shit at you because you throw in a fit because I'm watching a Cooking with Kaya video, and
who the hell paid for the what the fuck?
Max Powers over here do not condone domestic violence. Bitch, I wish you would throw something at me just because I watch video. Fucking, I summon the ancestors in my inner Ike Turner. And one slap. That's all. One, pow, nigga, that's all I need, goddamn. It's like back in the day, we used to have these television sets. You know, you sometimes have to smack it up the side and just reboot that bitch. I'll do you like that TV I used to do back in the day.
She need a tap dog.
Nigga, goddamn, she need a tap, goddamn, reboot that. You be like, reboot that ass.
Boy, you
she need one of goddamn.
What you done? What you about to do, man?
One of them goddamn quick whiplash, boy. What the fuck, bro? Like, and so, fellas, that's the problem with some of y'all niggas, man. Some of y'all need to check y'all bitches, bruh. And the only problem is, see, y'all can't even call y'all woman bitch because the only time you call your woman a bitch is when she do something stupid. And y'all be like, you stupid bitch, yeah. See, for niggas like me, I call my bitches all the time. I'm like, shit, she do something funny. I'm like, hey, you one crazy bitch, girl. And look at y'all niggas. Y'all call y'all big women a bitch, she gonna try to stab your ass, nigga.
Mhm.
Y'all need to check y'all females, bro. Y'all looking weak out here, nigga. Damn, nigga. I see why some of these old school niggas talking about y'all niggas got it easier nowadays, because the old school niggas, man, if they come through this bitch, they fucking all of our women, bro.
Oh yeah, of course.
Like, y'all weak ass niggas, boy. Cookie with yeah. Bop, bitch, you gonna hit a frying pan right now? Grab that shit, goddamn, treat that shit like I'm playing tennis, nigga. Alright, I'm done.
Man, that was definitely a rant.
That wasn't a rant. I just saying that shit's stupid, bro. I'm like,
That nigga look like he can bite the hole through his own chin, nigga. That nigga look hungry, my nigga.
That nigga look like if you get too thirsty, he'll bite through a Coca-Cola can, nigga. Arr, nigga.
That's the new that's the new goddamn shit. I just lost train of thought, man. Looking at this nigga
got the
big ass chiclet ass teeth and shit. Look like gold chiclets.
Nah, he got that nutty manetti teeth, nigga.
That nigga look like a pit bull, my nigga. That nigga got that lockdown power with them goals, nigga. It worked out for him, though, shit. Worked out for him.
That nigga look like he mixed with Master Splinter and goddamn Pitbull.
Man, I'm telling you, man. He's country. All right. Hey, Dragon.
Yeah.
You about ready, bro?
Need a couple more minutes so that way I can get this Adara news up and going, and then I'll be good to go.
Okay, sound like you got an encyclopedia for us tonight.
No, not necessarily. I'm just making sure that I got the critical information, and then from there we can talk about whatever else. But there's not much movement going on that I've been able to look on in regards to crypto news outside of talking about like more about the liquidity pools and shit. Because that's what we really need to be getting into. Because I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I've been showing the amount of liquidity that I've been getting lately for like staking Vara as an example. And that amount has been pretty fucking delicious so far. So, yeah.
That's cool, man.
Be looking up more for Hadar, most definitely, because that's what's needed.
Hey, I just thought of something. Hey, we need to do a Dragon, a crypto show, just a whole show we talk about crypto, and just let me produce that bitch. I'm about to fuck with Dragon the whole entire time. I'm gonna pull on slow music, like this nigga about to spread the panties on his crypto, nigga. Like, oh, ooh. Like, no. It can be like play some Maxwell. He started talking and be like, what?
They go this nigga in this damn singing.
Woo, woo, woo. And they could be all talk about crypto and be like, woo, 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 woo.
Yeah. And singing, man. This the most random. Hold on, let me get it right.
No,
this the most randomly singing ass nigga I've ever met in my life, man. This man will break out in a song or a melody out of nowhere, Dragon. Do you understand me?
Yo, so Dragon, it was my T driver. Yo, he was just like, who fucking deep voice ass nigga talking and shit. I was like, that's Dragon. He was like, man. He's like, yo, hey, y'all better watch him, bro. That crypto, he trying to fuck that crypto, bro. You better watch out.
Trying to make that crypto moist.
That's hilarious.
He was like, that deep talking. He's like, his deep talking ass boy. You about to fuck that crypto, boy.
That
Say
we
hello.
that's we in the business of fucking crypto, boy.
Yes, we are.
Right. Hey, Dragon, sometimes we sound like Blue off the Temptations. Papa, Mama told me Papa had 2 kids at the wife. That is.
Shut the fuck up, dog.
That's crazy.
All right, I'm ready to go ahead and I got the
Merry
news up that I needed.
Crypto.
You got the what you said? Say that again.
I'm ready to go ahead and talk about it.
All right, y'all. Well, that's enough of this
Merry
polymorphous looking dude on the
Crypto.
screen. We finna go in the daggone crypto. You understand me, baby?
Bitcoin XRP Stake in Ethereum.
Stupid.
Merry crypto to y'all, niggas. Merry
Merry
Christmas,
Christmas.
Dragon. Merry Christmas, Dragon. I get to say Merry Christmas to you, man.
You good? Merry
How was your
Christmas to
Christmas? Did Santa bring you everything you wanted?
Santa. Yes, Santa did bring me everything that I wanted because my portfolio grew. So definitely happy for that. Let me get in- All right, well, check this out, guys. Analysts say buy XRP now as XRP shorts will face liquidations by Friday. So, market commenter Crypto BitLord advises market participants to buy XRP now ahead of a potential development expected on Friday. According to him, those betting against XRP's uptrend, known as short sellers, will likely be liquidated by tomorrow. And mind you, this was put out yesterday. Confident in his forecast, BitLord even challenged community members to screenshot his bold claim and check later to see if it came to fruition. When it comes to XRP, I've never been wrong, he proudly declared. In parallel, he urged market participants to buy XRP now or risk missing out on current low prices. And the same shit that I've been telling people. At press time, XRP trades at $2.24, a 2.2% discount from the higher price it sold the day before. This decline has further worsened its weekly performance, showing a negative growth of 4.2% over the last 7 days. While BitLord is confident that a price reversal could happen as soon as tomorrow, he provided no explanation for the factors driving his optimism about XRP's price action heading into the weekend. However, there is a significant event that could influence market movements. A record $14 billion worth of Bitcoin options will expire on Decrypt this Friday. So the $14 billion options expiry from Bears. This expiry, the largest ever on the exchange, has drawn the attention due to its potential to trigger a market reaction. The put-call ratio for these Bitcoin options stands at 0.69 or 69 cents. This indicates a relatively higher open interest in calls, which suggests that market is positioned for bullish sentiment. If Bitcoin experiences volatility during this event, it could trigger a similar reaction in XRP, potentially contributing to the price movement BitLord anticipates. However, this remains speculative and potentially unconfirmed. But check this out. XRP's previous weekend bull runs. In November, the asset saw a significant price increase during weekends while consolidation during the week. For instance, on Thursday, November 7th, XRP traded at a low of 53 cents. But by Monday, November 11th, it had risen to 63 cents. While it continued its uptrend momentum during the week, it faced pullbacks. Accordingly, XRP traded at a low of 68 cents on Thursday, November 14th, but broke the dollar mark by the weekend, eventually reaching $1.25 by Saturday, November 16th. After a brief consolidation, XRP bull run resumed the following weekend, reaching $1.62 on Sunday, November 23rd. XRP broke the $2 range during the subsequent weekend, maintaining the trend into the week before ultimately losing momentum, topping out at $2.90 by December 3rd. Critics disagreed with the XRP weekend bull run. While Crypto BitLord is confident that a turnaround is imminent this weekend, other market watchers are skeptical. One commenter challenged BitLord, stating that his short position would remain intact every Friday for the next 3 months. This suggests he does not believe an XRP bull run will emerge anytime soon. This critic even predicted a major XRP sell-off in January, opposing the widespread belief that the first week of the year could be promising for the fourth largest altcoin. So, wanted to go ahead and give a little face of what's going to be happening basically with XRP coming up to close it out. And now, check this out though. Multiple analysts agree that XRP following 2017 trend, forecasting a 4.250% surge. And this is as of today, just a couple of hours ago, written over there in Europe. Multiple analysts observed that XRP is closely mirroring its 2017 pattern, suggesting a promising future for the asset. One such analyst, Tartan Guy, a widely followed technical expert, has highlighted key pivot dates in XRP's 2017 practice. According to him, if XRP continues to follow the same trajectory it has since last month, it could reach an all-new high on its next leg up. He speculated that this could happen as early as January, less than 2 weeks away. XRP now versus in 2017. Notably, XRP's historic bull run in 2017 gained momentum between November and December, with the asset establishing its all-time high by the first week of January. During this period, XRP surged from 18 cents to $3.84, representing a massive increase of 1,989% over 10 weeks. In comparison, from November to December this year, XRP has already risen 491%, from 49 cents to $2.90. Currently, XRP is in a consolidation phase, which market analysis anticipating a major breakout towards the all-new time high. Mind you, institutional investors and big money movement movers always get into the consolidation areas after they drive market prices to a certain pivotal point to where they can either enter and exit when the markets are in the consolidation phases. This is to where you can see where all the money actually moves. Then after the consolidation phase, it will either go into a bear trend or into a bullish trend. That's a little key jewel and keynote for those that like to look at charts and other stuff for getting into it. Take note of that. So, Crypto Villain, a market analyst from Cambridge, has also identified promising signals and signs for XRP based on 2017 market structure. He pointed out the sequence of a bearish decline, recovery, consolidation, and subsequent breakout that mirrors the current situation with XRP. His chart suggests that when the bulls return, XRP could attain a $1.5 trillion market cap. This lofty market cap corresponds to a floor price of around $17 for XRP. However, Billen noted that his optimistic outlook depends heavily on Bitcoin's performance. He further identified potential price levels between $8 and $13 for XRP, with the possibility of a threefold price surge if the asset breaks through this range. Forecast for XRP at 4,250% surge to $100 plus. Meanwhile, analyst Crypto Bilbao has proposed an even more ambitious target, while other analysts take a more conservative approach. Bilbao's chart predicts a scenario where XRP falls to 2017 trend with initial peaks around $26, followed by a correction. After that, the asset could soar above $100 according to this chart. At the present time, XRP is trading at $2.13. Attaining above $100 demands a growth of over 4,250%. On a side note, before I finish up with that, institutional money could easily make that jump that high. The charting guide suggests that XRP's current price movement closely resembles its behavior during the 2017 bull market based on this fractal pattern and key pivot dates from 2017. He predicts that if XRP continues to follow this trend, it could reach an all-new, all-time high during this next upward movement expected later on in January 2025. So the below mentioned chart, as to what they're showing here, shows the similarities between 2017 and 2024 XRP price movements. However, the more extreme projection has faced criticism. Some critics argue that XRP should first break its 7-year all-time high before considering such lofty price target. People posting charts like this showing 100 plus have no idea how markets work. That would take years if it ever happened, said ex-user Daniel G. But once again, I would like to say, and always keynote, that institutional investors can always make marketplaces either jump up really quick to get the stuff like that, or stall stuff out and keep it stifled, so that way if stuff does not reach a certain threshold, it stays at a certain point. Once people pay, start selling it off, then they can buy it up like crazy, and then guess what happens to it? The price goes up, and then it's sitting up there at a nice, lofty, hefty price that people can trade at for multiple times. Ethereum as a prime example. Once the institutions got into it, it's sitting at how much a pop right now? You can easily do what? Gas cost is crazy for it. Institutional investors do what with Bitcoin as well too. What makes you don't think they're not going to do that with XRP? Because XRP is going to be used in regards to all banks, and it's going to be a main use in Japan on top of that. Speaking of, let me go ahead and talk about this real quick, which is XRP, Solana, and HBAR dominate watch lists as crypto ETF approvals loom. Trump election victory and ETF optimism have propelled top altcoins like XRP, HBAR, and Solana to impressive quarterly gains and market cap. Analysts predict Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs will lead, paving the way for regulated alt ETFs like Hedera, spurring adoption in 2024. As the crypto market heats up in the final stretch of 2024, the buzz surrounding crypto ETFs has drawn significant attention. Recent political developments like Donald Trump's surprising election victory have fueled optimism among investors, creating positive hope around top altcoins like XRP, Hedera or HBAR, and Solana or Sol. Analysts anticipate this optimism could push these cryptocurrencies for next year's bull as well. Analysts eye these altcoins, especially after Bloomberg analyst Eric Bolchanas and James Sefrat predict that Litecoin and Hadara ETFs might lead the way. Their regulatory clarity sets them apart from assets like Solana and XRP, which face hurdles from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This evolving scenario could redefine opportunities for institutional and retail investors alike. The first wave of ETF approvals is expected to focus on Bitcoin and Ethereum offerings, which have already garnered significant interest from institutional investors. As CNF already reported, companies such as Franklin Templeton, Bitwise, Hashdex have submitted applications for these funds, signaling confidence in regulatory approval. If successful, could pave the way for altcoins to follow suit. Crypto market surges post-Trump win. After Trump's November win, the market witnessed notable gains, with investors expecting further pro-crypto stance from the Republican government. XRP, for instance, saw its price climb 54.65% over the past month to $2.31, reaching a market cap of $132.3 billion. The coin's quarterly growth hit an impressive 270%, making it the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Meanwhile, Hadar HBAR surged 114.60% last month, up to 31 cents, securing a 420% quarterly growth in market cap of $12.8 billion. Despite a 22% dip to 157 last month, Solana recorded a 26% gain for the quarter. Its $94.78 billion market cap ranks it as the sixth largest cryptocurrency. These performances underline the impact of regulatory and market trends on the crypto sector. For XRP investors, selling pressure has intensified as the coin nears $3, with projections showing resistance at $2.92. HBAR could aim for 45 cents by year end if Bitcoin's momentum provides support. Solana is also likely to retest at $260, driven by increased activity on its own network. EFT approvals and year-end price targets. Hadara's classification as a non-security by the SEC enhances its potential for an ETF debut ahead of XRP, which remains embroiled in regulatory challenges. Some analysts believe Ripple could regain strength if the SEC drops its ongoing case. Pause. Because of the chairman dropping out from the SEC and resigning as of the 20th, the new chairman, mind you, who is the crypto Cesar and also over at AI, what do you think he's going to do for Ripple? Continuing. Potentially spurring XRP's price to new heights. See how that's sitting there nice and snug? Expectations of regulatory clarity in 2024 might catalyze broader adaptation. Solana's network activity and speculative interest suggest that its consolidation around $200 could soon break upward. While four-figure targets remain speculative, reaching $260 appears plausible if investor demand stays strong. In contrast, the metaverse-focused Seek coin has lagged, with its performance faltering due to waning interest in its project. The final months of 2024 could offer both opportunities and risk for crypto enthusiasts. As the ETF conversation develops, altcoins like XRP, HBAR, and Solana remain firmly in the spotlight. Poised to close the year with strong potential for gains, the broader crypto market, meanwhile, awaits clarity that could redefine its trajectory within the new year. So, just to give a little bit more in regards to HBAR, we can go ahead and close this up. But empowering the future, Hadara's trailblazing partnership will redefine blockchain. Unique consensus mechanism, Hadara utilizes the hash graph consensus, a novel approach that enables higher transaction throughput, lower latency, and enhanced security compared to traditional blockchain technologies. Robust governance model. It is governed by a council of leading global organizations, ensuring decentralized governance and promoting network stability and reliability. Whilst you think that the feds and other people are starting to use HBAR for transactions and a couple of other stuff. Ding, ding. So, to go ahead and just give a little bit more about Hadara, it's not just another name on the long list of blockchain platforms. It is a public network that leverages the hash graph consensus mechanism, which is distinct from the traditional blockchain technology used by many other cryptocurrencies. This cutting-edge approach allows Hadara to achieve high transactional throughput, low latency, and enhanced security, making it a promising infrastructure for a wide range of applications. At the heart of Hadara is this native cryptocurrency, HBAR, which serves multiple roles within the network. HBAR is used to fuel transactions, secure the network through staking, that incentivize network participants. Unlike many blockchain networks that struggle with scalability and speed, Hadara boasts impressive performance metrics, facilitating 10,000 transactions per second, TPS, with finality in just seconds. So, how can I utilize Hadara? Well, Hadara's architecture and consensus mechanism make it an ideal platform for various applications, including but not limited to smart contracts. Developers can deploy and execute smart contracts on Hadara with greater efficiency and lower costs compared to traditional blockchain platforms. Its decentralized applications, or DApp, Hadara's high throughput and low latency provides a robust foundation for building scalable DApps across industries such as finance, supply chain, and gaming. Tokenization. Hadara Token Services enables the creation, management, and transfer of tokens, including fungible cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, with regulatory compliance and real-time settlement. And then data integrity. Organizations can leverage Hadara's consensus service to create verifiable timestamps and ordering of events for applications requiring high trust and security levels. So let's distinguish Hadara from its competitors. While the blockchain space is crowded with platforms, each claiming superiority, Hadara distinguishes itself in several key areas. One is the consensus mechanism. Hadara hash graph consensus is a leap forward from traditional proof of work, or POW, and proof of staking, POS, mechanism, offering faster transactional speed and lower energy consumption. Governance. Hadara is governed by a council of renowned enterprises and organizations worldwide, ensuring a decentralized and professional governance that contributes to network stability and reliability. The security. Hadara provides ABFT, asynchronous biasate fault tolerance, one of the highest security levels in the field, safeguarding against attacks and ensuring no single point of failure. Regulatory compliance. Hadara places a strong emphasis on compliance, making it attractive for enterprises and financial institutions looking to adopt blockchain technology without falling foul of regulations. Falling foul of regulations. And also the latest partnerships and development in the Hadara ecosystem. Hadara Hashgraph has recently expanded its ecosystem through notable partnerships, underscoring its growth and its growing influence in the blockchain space. One significant partnership is with the Mondelez International, a leading multinational food company known for brands like Oreo, Cadbury, and Toblerone, which joins the Hadara Council to accelerate distributed ledger technology, or DLT, adoption, digital transformation, and enhanced business efficiencies. This collaboration highlights Hadara's appeal to large, established companies outside of the traditional sector, indicating its versatile and scalable blockchain solution. Another key partnership is with Dell Technologies, a major player in IT consulting and support services. This strategic alliance aims to integrate Hadara's public ledger technology into Dell's product suite, offering secure and transparent solutions for distributed ledger technology and decentralized applications. This partnership reflects Hadara's growing credibility and trust among leading technology firms, paving the way for innovative applications of DLT across various institutions. Additionally, Hadara has made strides in environmental sustainability and financial services through collaborations with Hyundai and Kia for CO2 tracking, and with prominent financial institutions like MasterCard. These partnerships not only demonstrate Hadara's technological prowess and scalability, but also its commitment to addressing critical global challenges through blockchain technology. These developments illustrates Hadara's strategic approach to fostering a diverse and robust ecosystem, positioning it as a key player in the future of decentralized finance and beyond. So, is Hadara worth investing? Hadara stands out in the blockchain landscapes for its innovative approach to consensus governance and utility. Its unique attributes and continuous growth through strategic partnerships and developments position Hadara as a leading force in the quest for a decentralized and efficient digital economy. Whether you're a developer looking to build the next generation of dApps, an enterprise seeking to improve operational efficiency through blockchain, or an investor monitoring the pulse of the crypto market, Hadara offers a compelling platform that merits close attention. As the blockchain space continues to evolve, keeping abreast of development like those occurring within Hadara's ecosystem could be crucial for anyone looking to stay informed or involved in its dynamic field. And that's what I have today. So if you're not, just based of all the partnerships that's been stated, just on here, not including the partnership that they got with FedNow, not including the partnership that they got with SpaceX, with some of the other top banks, with MasterCard, which means that they could do what? You can buy and sell and do what you need with this, because you can do that on a Visa card with certain stuff. They make it easy now. So if you're not paying attention as an investor as to where to start, and like I want to make sure that this is this is not financial advice or anything. I'm just pointing to certain things to say, hey, if you're not looking into this, well, then I don't know what you're doing. But you might want to add this to your kit because there seems to be a whole lot of stuff going in that direction. And I don't want to implement, fear of missing out or anything else like that. But hey, if you don't feel like Hadara something for you is a way of building up within a network system for what's happening in the future, because a whole bunch of major companies are getting in the mix. That's why it's been at the same price as where it's been at for the longest. Everything else has been up and been down. That thing has been consistent within a certain price range. Literally within a 5-cent price range. And it's been staying consistent, which will let you know where it's about to go. All we need to do is pay attention to the other coins of what's going on. That's it. But altcoin season is coming. Best believe it. But I'm going to say this, and then I'll go ahead and I'll end the crypto talk or Dragon's crypto rants and stuff after the crypto talk, which is you better get your happy-go-lucky ass some XLM. Better get you some H-bar. There's that drop for XRP because of the fear index and people freaking out and everything else. You better buy that shit up and put that shit in a cold wallet and don't think about it. Let it sit. Then for the next time when you see it rally up and everything else, because they're starting to push your money into it, then save a little bit of money up, but the rest of it, just put it away. It's an investment for yourself for the future. It's not, you don't treat that like how you would actually treat the traditional marketplace, because the amount of what you buy and what you hold later, when the price increases, then you add that shit to liquidity pools and then you stake that shit. That way your crypto's making money for you. These gentlemen here can definitely tell you to where I've shown it to where I'm making money off my crypto by staking it and putting it in a liquidity pool. They can validate that shit for you. So it's best that you maximize your crypto to get that to make money for you. You can't do that with stocks. You can only buy stocks at a certain price and you can sell stocks. You can't stake your stocks. Can you? No. That's the key thing of what's different. You can stake and you can add your crypto to liquidity pool. So you have two other ways of having a financial return coming to you. And then turn around and extract some from that and then go buy stocks if you want to. That's a little free game for you. But anyway, I'm done. Big bro, you done? Y'all. I think my man is, he might be a little preoccupied real quick. Max is backstage, bro. You got to pull him up, dog. Hold on real quick. You got to call him real fast, so that way we can make sure that he lets you up, Max. Well, it might be. I know it really hasn't been that long that we've been on, but it might be that time for us to nail it since his mic is off. Can't hear anything from him. So give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see if I can go ahead and get him going real quick.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Max is backstage, bro. You tired, man?
Oh, he's backstage. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, he's
there we go.
backstage.
Max.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, there we go.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm actually done with the crypto news now, so now we can talk about the next thing.
There's crypto news, yo. As
Yeah, I
always,
agree,
in depth, thorough, to the point. Also very what's another word I'm looking for to describe that Dragon's coverage of crypto is comprehensive. That's the word I was looking for. Motherfucking hensive.
because I
Indeed.
do want to mention that for the cryptos that I do talk about, I'm gonna talk about the utility, different aspects of them, and so that way you can get a good view of what that project is. That project is really scaling a bunch of stuff, and people are sleeping on it. And I'm like, nah, I'm not fixing to sleep on this. Fuck that. I know better.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put my peeps on because you know what I'm saying, I am my brother's keeper, so that's why I'm putting my brothers on for some stuff. That way y'all can be up on deck. And for out of all the information that I've been providing all the way up to this point, you see how this shit's been working out. Like multiple partnerships, how the marketplace has been going. Man, this is good. And here we are at that dip. Remember when I said that we was going to be at that dip around that time? Look at the price now, what XRP is at, and it's probably going to dip just a little bit further. But look to see how much some of it's dipped already. Now, I told you it was going to happen.
You did say it.
Yep. I told you. Yeah, because it's still holding at $2.16 from what I'm seeing. From when it was $2.30. Nope, it just went up to $2.17, but it's been maintaining that. Because the lowest low that we've had thus far with this bad boy was down to $1.89, but we haven't seen that trend in I don't know how long. And where the marketplace is going right now, the bulls and bears are basically fighting in regards to volume, because the volume sequence, there's a little bit more sales than there have been about buys and stuff. So with the volume indicator of what I'm looking at, there was more volume that was sold yesterday, but thankfully the bulls were able to rebound it so that way it didn't drop down too far. Now institutional investors might go ahead and try to push the marketplace down a little bit further, like I was telling you, to go ahead and invoke that fear property to make people want to sell their crop, because you know people, because of the colors of green and red on the charts. And I don't know if I explained this game or not, but I'm gonna explain this game to some people. Because of the colors of green and red on those charts, that is what is psychologically messing with people. You feel me? Because
yeah, they thinking green, go buy.
Yep, and red means what?
Stop.
Which means to sell. So when they see that red, they're like, "Oh shit, here's this. I need to sell out because I'm missing out on this." And it's like, well, look at the trend. How good is this going? Are institutional investors, pushing it? How far is that candle wick? Where is the shadow of that wick? How far down does it go? You got to pay attention to stuff like that and know that certain stuff happens around certain times of the year, especially when investors are starting to talk more about it in the mix. And when they start throwing it in the news, you should know that marketplace is going to fluctuate. Anytime they start talking about stuff in the news, it's going to fluctuate a little bit. Some things are going to drop. And then right afterwards, not too long, things are going to spike up. Yeah, this shit's happening right now as we speak. I expect it just to go down just a little bit further. Here, there's some people that is encapsulating on the $2.16 mark. I'm holding off on mine, even though I'm not gonna lie, I did trade in some of my Ripple stable coin to buy Ripple. So I got a little bit of extra Ripple on the side just so that way I can buy the top up. But other than that, I'm expecting a nice little drop.
Man, I hope I'm able to get enough. I want to get plenty, because by the time next summer come around, even the summer after that, man, we might be able to walk away from whatever the hell we doing just because of what we doing now.
Ain't no Mike being able to.
Sure, that thing could be $10 a share. It don't matter.
Man, in the combination of everything of what we've gotten together, and I'm telling you, we put it in liquidity pools and we stake that shit. That way we get returns on it from nobody's business. Do you know how I maximize myself out on Crow? Besides the investments that I did make into it, you know, I've been staking Crow since I've gotten it back in like, I want to say 2021 is how long that I've had my crypto.com account, but it wasn't until like the end of 2022 that I heavily got into it. But I've been staking Crow since 2021, and you know, with the returns that I got on that motherfucker since I bought it when it was less than a penny,
Right.
and now it's up to 20 cents. Shit, you better stake that shit, dog. I'm telling you.
Yeah, man. It was like for me, you know, if I should have been a little bit more smarter with my Dogecoin earnings and shit, but we live and we learn. But yeah, see, I see for me, I threw my good amount of my earnings into my Roth IRA, and I got one hell of a ETF. And so for me, my ETF is like the ones that I invest in my Roth IRA is pretty much a little bit more aggressive than I'm comfortable with. But hell, I'm investing in crypto. Crypto is you know it's a aggressive market too. You know, when it comes to investment. But yeah, man, don't miss out on the opportunity, guys.
Mm-mm. Whatever you do, don't buy up at the top either. I'm gonna keep telling you, use reverse psychology on you so that way you can understand. When you see that red, well, here's the thing. That way, there's a definite understanding for certain stuff, because I'm a long-term investor that does like day trading. So the method that I come from is for long-term looking. I'm looking at 5 and 10 years later on down the line is where I'm looking at. I'm not looking at right now, this 30 seconds or 2 days from now, I want to make X amount of money so that way I can go buy this real quick and everything else. No, I'm looking at within 5 to 10 years, looking at the partnership, the amount of money that can go in, how the market's flowing, how the economy is getting itself situated, how we're more in a digitized age, and the potential, you know, what Bitcoin was doing, what certain other altcoins were doing from the beginning up until this point, and seeing to where, here's the one thing. Remember, Bitcoin at one point in time was a penny too. Bitcoin at one time was 30 cents a share too. How much is per Bitcoin now? Hello. There's other altcoins, MakerDAO as well out there. That's over $1,000 per fucking coin. Remember, BNB is $600 and something per coin. So what would make people think that in regards to, especially like with HBAR, with those connections, what Ripple is doing now, Stellar Lumens XLM, which deals with intercontinental transactions anyway, and more people are using Stellar Lumens as a means for a commodity. So look at the potential of what people are putting into it, and then it's slow cap gem. So I see that potential of where it can be within 5 to 10 years, because like I said, I'm buying up a certain amount and I'm throwing that son of a bitch in cold storage. Other projects that I look at that are real world assets, keyword, real world, the last word, assets. I'm going to buy into those projects and throw them son of a bitches in cold storage, because we all know real world assets appreciate more over time, especially when they're connected to something of a high tangible degree, such as like your real estate property and other stuff like that. That's the type of stuff to where you throw in your cold wallet and you sit on and don't look about it. Yeah, the marketplace is going to do its thing and everything else. Let it do its fucking thing. But that's a long-term investor's perspective. Now, your impulse investor or your day trader or other stuff like that, that's something completely different, because you're looking to utilize whatever amount of what you have in order to upscale yourself anywhere between 1% all the way to 10%. But that's something that, depending on how long that you've been doing it and everything else, that just requires some skill, because people come in and they're able to nail it on the first time. Other people, they flop the first portion of when they get out. But I highly suggest to anyone, if you are going to get into any type of actual day trading, get a fucking paper account. That way you can trade in real market time. You get X amount of money on there and you can trade with that. Then once you get good at paper trading, or you feeling real good because you were successful at paper trading, or you failed in some areas at paper trading, that you're able to reevaluate yourself so you become better, start trading in your actual markets then. And then flip-flop back and forth. Go back to paper trading if you want to try a new method of how you want to do stuff. See how it works out in paper trading. If it works out good for you in paper trading, take that over to the regular trading and network it that way. That's how you get good, and that's how you minimize your losses. That way all your fuck-ups are on paper trading, so you don't have any emotion towards it, because you don't have any real finances hit toward it. So that way when you get to the real trading, your emotions are not necessarily intertwining to it, because you didn't already have the fuck-up on this account. So you already know what you're not going to do, so that way you're more successful. Now you're more in control of your emotions, so just in case something happens, you'd be like, okay, that's something that I need to network in. Let me go try this out and utilize it that way. And that's what I suggest to every single body. I don't care if you're new, old, or anything else. You always want to refine your work. Iron sharpens iron. And even a master of his craft still find ways to still master his craft. A master is always refining their craft. As an example, are not martial arts masters continuously refining their art? And even though they're still teaching their students, they say themselves that they are still a student as well too. Take that aspect with it. So what y'all got to say, man? What's up?
Nah, man, you good, man. Chilling, man, just soaking all this up, bro.
Max, you got anything?
Max doing
Man, I just heard this shit out of my tongue, boy.
What?
I'm drinking coffee. I just burned this shit out of my tongue.
Oh.
Because I made so I was just taking a little sip, right? And so I made a sudden movement, and this truck got the rocking, so my cup got the rocking, and so I felt that bitch up to too much to the top, and so when it got the rocking, that shit went gulp. Sip went to a gulp, and I was like, "Oh shit!"
Fuck no shit up.
And I was like, I wanted to.
Hold on, the Chevrolet Monte Carlo coming back? No.
Man,
not the Chevrolet Monte Carlo coming back.
If they bring back the Monte Carlo, bro, they better not fuck it up, bro.
It don't look like it's fucked up to me if this is how it's gonna look.
Let me cut these lights off real quick. Give me a sec.
Boy, that grill, but these concept cars never look like the ones they're gonna sell. But this, boy, it looks like it's got Cadillac styling, but it's got the muscle modern kind of Chevrolet look with the big wheels and the fender wells and the. No, this shit looks good, bro. We gonna see, man.
Too bad I need a truck.
I made it a 2-door.
I told my girl, that's what car. I'm about to say. I told the baby, you better get used to driving something big, because that's the only thing you gonna fuck. She's like, it's too big. I said, don't worry about it. I'll teach you how to drive it. I'm like, hey, if we get hit, no one's getting hurt.
But this goddamn Monte Carlo is hard, nigga.
No, I want that Ford
hard.
F1. I want that Ford F-150 Lightning.
Have you seen the GMC Sierra electric truck?
You lost me at GMC, nigga.
Man, shit, that Sierra off the chain, dog.
Only thing I buy is Chevy or Ford.
The rims on this bitch. Oh, woo!
Yeah.
Man,
only
this
thing I
bitch
buy.
got hard.
Only thing I buy is Chevy.
No, they're not gonna keep this. They're not gonna keep this. This bitch look too hard.
Let
They're
me
not
see,
gonna keep it
Chevy,
like this.
Ford. What else? I do like Hyundai.
Like a Camaro on steroids.
But if I have to go out there and pick a vehicle, it's gonna be a Ford or a Hyundai. Or
I think
Tesla.
I saw what the hell I'm finna buy, man. Oh, this shit hard. This shit look like a fucking Maserati GT American version, dog. It moderned up though.
Because I am taking a course on how to create solar panel. I'm not create solar panels, but solar energy installation, and also I want to learn how to create my own solar farm.
Okay.
That's good, bro.
Yeah, so it's like I told dudes nowadays. I was like, bruh, making money nowadays is fucking easy.
Yep.
It's just time. And so when I couldn't stand hearing a grown man complain on TikTok talking about he couldn't find black owned banks. And I asked him a simple question. I was like, have you ever Googled black? I was like, have you ever Googled black owned banks? He was like, no. I was just like, well, the problem is not the black banks. The problem is niggas like you. You want to complain about something, but like we need black owned banks and shit. You can't find no black owned banks. But I'm like,
use your brain.
He said, I asked him where he was from. He was like, I'm from the West Side of Atlanta. I was just like, motherfucker, have you heard of Delta Credit Union? He's like, yeah. I was like, that's a black owned bank. He's like, oh, I never knew that. I was like, you never stopped. I was like, you never went to the restaurant across the street and you never seen all those niggas walk. I was like, the problem is I was like, the problem is you ain't self-aware, bro. You ain't self-aware about shit. And so how the fuck you gonna complain about the white man and the white man holding you back, and where you didn't even think about Googling black-owned banks?
Yeah, that should be annoying.
That's just ignorant.
That's what I told him. I was like, it's ignorant as hell. And then this nigga, it has the nerve to compare NFL players to slaves. And I told the dude, I was just
rich
like,
ass slaves.
And just hearing him talk, I'm like, do you have any original thought of your own?
Probably not, to be honest.
Them some rich ass slaves, dog.
And I told him, I was like, so you're equating people who used to get whipped just for trying to learn the letter A, B, and C. Used to get whipped, damn near killed, raped. I mean, women who was getting hell, even the men too. It's called buck busting. And you telling me you equating those people to NFL athletes who's making, or professional NFL athletes who's making more money than me, and I'm a Class A CDL truck driver? They slaves? I was like, shit, if they slaves, what the fuck am I? I must be the scum of the motherfucking pit of slaves. Then you have a woman.
You's a nigga.
you have a woman who want to clean it up. Like, well, we're all slaves. I was like, nah, fuck. I was like, yeah, shut that shit up. I'm like, because at the end of the day, you can say no to money.
Yeah, you sure can. You ain't got to work.
At the end of the day, you can save all your money up and move to the deserts of California for free. And so yeah, man. Ugh. Well,
They say he get these big ass rims on it, massive.
probably spacers and probably a little bit of a lift.
Yeah, that's just crazy looking, man.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm moving my ass back after that. After seeing that nigga just do that stupid ass turn. Stupid.
Moving your ass back where?
Now I'm moving my truck back.
Oh,
Man, this dude was like inches away from hitting my truck.
damn. So, bruh, I almost forgot what the hell we supposed to be talking about today, man.
Yeah, I forgot.
I got this damn Presidente. I didn't pop the Presidente, dog.
Shit, we
Suppose I
thought
done
you
got
was
me
asleep earlier.
Sure did.
I probably did those off, bro.
Man, you old ass nigga.
Hey, whatever, bro. You can say whatever the hell you want to say, bro.
Man, do some
What
stretch.
the hell you want to say, man?
Man, next time you come to on this podcast, nigga, stretch, nigga.
I ain't got the stretch, nigga. Ain't got nothing to do with it.
Do some stretch, do some push-ups, nigga. Get that
I
blood
might
pumping
get-
before you can
Yeah, I
move
might
there.
get that shit done in my shit. That shit nice. That shit spelled it back. What,
Yeah, hey,
nigga?
Dragon. Hey, this nigga Sean will be falling. Yo, you be like, hey, Dragon, this motherfucker Sean be like, yo, man, I don't know what happened, man. I drunk some warm milk and I just fell asleep, nigga. I'm like, yeah, you drank warm milk. Boy, yo, Sean drinking that Russian one. Give him some sleepy milk. We gave him some sleepy milk. He went straight to sleep like baby.
Wake your ass up.
Went to sleep like baby. You want some sleepy milk, Sean?
You stupid.
Conrad
Dumb.
Wildcat. You look tired.
Boy, you dumb, man. Oh, God.
I can make myself laugh. Fellas, never forget.
I'm not looking forward to this packing.
Everybody love a laughter. Everybody loves laughter.
Yeah, everybody does, man.
Yeah, it's something that's needed.
Outside these lonely black men.
To the top margin,
That's
20 kids.
hard.
Top margin, 20 kids. So you got the rest of you right.
Sean,
Yes, sir.
now, would you like to continue, or would you just like we just chop this shit up and we could just come back on?
I said we come back on Sunday, dog.
Sunday. Okay,
Yeah,
you gonna be
'cause
busy tomorrow?
I got to go to my mom's house, man, this weekend, and I won't have the setup. So
Man, you don't need a setup, man. You got a laptop?
yeah, I do, man, but I can't guarantee how my audio is gonna be on there.
Shoot, just bring your audio, some headphones. Hopefully, you got wired headphones.
Yeah.
Shit, you know what we do? Shit, I got my laptop. We all have bad audio. Psych, I lied, nigga. My phone could connect to any device, nigga. I just tried, nigga.
Man, yeah, you go with that bullshit, man.
I swear, I swear, I thought you was gonna say, "Yeah, man, I got me up with this little shawty on Saturday." I'm like, man, you gonna choose the pussy over the podcast, nigga?
Yeah, but it ain't making me no fucking money.
Oh, you see what type of nigga he is, Dragon?
I mean, can you blame him?
Exactly.
Head ass nigga. Head ass nigga.
But I'm
Never
gonna
know,
be,
nigga.
I'm gonna be at my mom's house, so yeah, that's not the same thing. In the country where I cannot guarantee the speed of the Wi-Fi signal, because her Wi-Fi signal, when I tell you that shit's sketchy, bro, that's just sketchy, dog.
Shit. One thing I love about my grandma is she don't fuck with her internet. What the fuck?
Somebody in a car.
That's not me.
Yeah, no, that was me. That was some weird shit just happened.
I said you don't want to be working and damn podcasting at the same time. So if anybody's in the vehicle, it's either got to be
Me or him.
No,
Max or you.
No,
bro.
I ain't like it ain't give me the signal that my door is open and shit. And so because this shit is so fucking stupid. All right, so because of these new regulations, all this government bullish, all this red tape, trucks are coming equipped with automatic island shutdowns. So it will stop your truck from idling as much as you want to. So in order for me to idle the way I want to, if it's like cold,
Is that because of emissions and shit?
Yeah, it's emission regulations.
Yeah, they're trying to cut down on emissions.
Yeah, they don't equate the fact that when it's 20 degrees outside, this fucking truck the inside of this truck will be cold as the outside in 30 minutes.
What they got to do with the tea in China, nigga?
What?
What they got to do with the tea in China?
Well, if they don't want people to drive, they keep putting these shits in. I'm like, okay, cool. Let's see how people feel about it. If we're sorry, it's gonna be about 3 days for your next delivery. When
they don't give a fuck about y'all, man. They don't give a fuck about y'all, man. They trying to make sure this damn the environment is
even truck drivers don't give a fuck about other truck drivers, bro. Like, this shit is ridiculous, dude. Like, I'm like, I was literally no. It's just to be real, truck drivers haven't had a real pay raise in the last 40 fucking years. Truck drivers actually have gotten pay cuts, have been getting screwed for the last 10 years, and no, for the last 30 years, truck drivers been getting screwed. And these niggas are so separated we can't even do a strike because it's against the law if we do a strike. Everybody else could threaten to do a strike and don't do a strike. But if we talk about we want to do a strike, yeah, niggas gonna go to jail. You got paid $10,000 fine. It's called interfering with interstates and commerce, but the government's been interfering with interstates and commerce for the last 30 fucking years, and they wonder why truck drivers don't really give a shit no more, and they're just walking out the trucking industry.
Right.
And so if you ever come to certain spots of America, there's literally nothing but immigrants or truck drivers.
Oh, I bet.
And it's crazy because of the fact that I'm like, oh, so basically what y'all did was y'all turned this into a slave job, and y'all turned it to a slave job on purpose. And that's the fucked up part about it.
That's saying a lot. That's saying a lot.
Well, it's the fucking truth. What they did was fucking another immigrant. Like, literally, me and a white guy, we said this shit, but he was like, bro, there's a lot. He was like, bro, I've been noticed something the last 3 years. He was like, I was like, what? He's like, in trucking, he was like, I haven't been to a place to where I've seen more than two of us at a truck stop. But he's like, only in certain places. He's like, Georgia. He's like, shit, I'm gonna see us down there. But he was like, certain places like up here, Ohio, ain't nothing but Hispanics. And we was at a Sheetz, and every person was a foreigner.
Damn.
Didn't speak Spanish. I mean, didn't speak English either.
That's crazy.
Yeah. God love USA.
Yeah. Yeah, gotta love it, bro.
But hold on. Compared to the woman of TikTok, I don't know what I'm talking about.
You don't.
Yeah. Apparently, there was a trucker strike. There was a trucker strike that no one knew about, but of course, she knows about it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I think we ought to just pick this shit back up, man, on Sunday, dog.
Yeah.
But
All
we'll
right,
see,
man. We're gonna try tomorrow.
We're gonna try, dog. Yeah, but I mean, you know, we'll see tomorrow, man. I mean, I ain't seen my mom in months, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, go see mom, bro.
yeah, man.
I was about to say he sounds funny, but fucked up at the same time.
Oh, you silly. You silly, though. You fucked up. That's fucked up, bro.
You still gonna put the pool. Stop funny. You still gonna put it on the podcast, nigga? That's the original one you came out of, nigga, but you still gonna choose it over us?
There you go with this bullshit. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you had an okay night tonight.
Sorry, guys. It's a little. This is old man's night. This is old man's night.
You can old man night all he want, my nigga. Shit, that nigga didn't work the last 5 days until goddamn he couldn't goddamn stay up no more and shit. Even though he does work every fucking day, damn near driving.
Goddamn snitch.
Anyway.
I told my girl I've been working every night, nigga. Been telling my girl been working every night, nigga. You got this. She watched this shit, nigga. Nah, I'm stopping, man. Her ass probably not the fuck out.
Probably, dog. Oh, there go my rims. Fuck. There they go. I guess that's them. I was trying to look for some shit. Anyway, I'ma holler at y'all, man. Y'all have a good time, man. Get you some rest. I gotta pack. I can't even go to bed yet, man. That's just crazy, man.
Baby, he lying. Don't believe him, baby. I love you. Te amo. Mucho te amo.
Boy, you stupid.
This nigga here. This nigga, the only person I know to fuck up the easiest goddamn Spanish words. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Anyway, holler at y'all, man.
Nigga. Don't do that. Don't do that to me, nigga. I literally watch you off that funky OG. 5 minutes trying to figure out what was that word? How to say school.
What, nigga?
When we was about to go to Boca Chica, your ass got brain. You got a brain freeze. You was trying to figure out how to say. You was like, oh shit, I forgot how to say that word. Nandi and Isabel was just looking at your ass. True. Oh, that shit was funny, boy. But hey, man, it was good, everybody. Hey, Dragon, you have a good night.
Yeah, take it easy, Dragon.
You too, man. I'm simply fucking around with HTML anyway. I'm doing coding as we speak, so.
All right, man. My holler at everyone, man.
Coding?
Yeah, I'm doing
coding and shit, man.
Oh shit, hell yeah. All right, man. Fuck yeah.
All right.
All right, y'all. Holler at y'all, man.
All right, peace, y'all.
All right, holler at y'all, folks.
Give him some sleepy milk.
John DeMarco.
get a bitch without that shit. You know what I'm talking about? But hey, man, you know. And then it represent what we down with praying hands, man, you know. We staying prayed up, papered up, ammunition for the devil. Getting our paper, take on to the other level, you know what I'm talking about? That's what it's really about.